Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cubot Max 3 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And right now, I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because that I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation, the grid lines should disappear. So it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video or the picture mode. Just enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. And as you can see, right here we've got the option Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to restore to the default settings, so just confirm it with yes. And as you can see, the camera blinked a little. Overall, we have to wait a second because it froze. Alright, here we've got it. So as you can see, after getting back to the camera, the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to restore camera preferences in your Cubot Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.